Walked over to take a look at some shrumps. And look at these guys hiding under here. Oh yeah, that is a chunker. Oh, hello. Oh, family. 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's a big daddy right there. Oh yeah, look at that. That one might be gone, but we'll check it out. But not bad. I'm out in the woods with Kaz today. We're on the west side of the Cascades hunting for some late season chanterelles, hedgehogs, cauliflower, and who knows. So let's get out and have an awesome hunt. Let's go. So it's the first week of December. It's very late in the chanterelle season. We had some snow on the way up. There's a little snow on the ground here, but we're in a pretty protected area. And hopefully we're gonna find some chanterelles. We're only at about 1,500 feet. We've seen a few so far, but some of them are frozen, a little waterlogged, but we're going to continue to look around. But look at this beautiful area. It's a pretty awesome protected area. A lot of mature trees in here, so hopefully they're going to insulate the mushrooms from being frozen. But whatever we find today is going to be a bonus, so let's go get them. So check this out. Look at the area that we're in here. A little bit of snow, a lot of leaves going down, but look at these puppies right here. A couple of nice chanterelles right here. So now this guy is better than this guy. So it looks like he's seen better days, but I'll clean him up. He'll still be pretty good. So let's keep going. Kaz says he found his first one. What you got there, Kaz? Oh, that looks good. Not bad. That'll eat. Clean them up. Well, so far it hasn't been as plentiful as it was last time, but we are getting close to the end of the season. But I see something over here that I think might be a good redemption. There's a fat chanterelle over here. Look at this guy. Oh. 2 of them actually. Let's see if we can get in there without. 3 of them. There we go. Look at that. 3 nice ones. A little bit of snow. So the main thing that we're learning today is that the remaining good chanterelles are hiding under these ferns. The ones that are out in the open, they've got snow on them, they're frozen, they're not so great, but the ones that are good seem to be under the ferns. So we picked up a nice stick. Wish I would have had my trekking poles with me, but we're just gently lifting up the ferns to see what's growing under there. And I think the ferns are providing some insulation and some cover from the snow. And these chanterelles are like October chanterelles, but it's the first week of December, so I'll take it. Look at these nice little buttons here. Look, there's another one here. Look at this guy. Looks like a healthy one right here. That's a nice one. Not bad. Look. Got a little button here, a little button there. They seem to be hiding under the ferns and getting a little bit of insulation out of the cold. Kaz found some more. What do you got, Kazi? Oh yeah. Nice. Very nice. They're getting just a little bit of insulation. Good job, bud. So I picked up a nice stick to help lift up these ferns. And check this out. I just found a nice little cluster under here. Look at these. Oh yeah. There we go. Now that is a beauty. Not bad. God said he came up a nice cluster.
Some with a little frost on top. There's one here, and check out that one.
Oh yeah, that is a chunky right there.
It's a nice
oh, it's
one.
beautiful. This is under the ferns, stayed nice and insulated.
Yeah.
You got more buttons around here.
Yeah.
I think I walked over a couple of buttons too. Nice. Look, some up on the hill up there too. Nice job, Kazi. I think I found another one hiding in here. Look at that guy. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Look at that. What? Right now it's about 32 degrees, so it's cold. Got good gloves on and several layers, so. What do you got?
The stem is.
It's got snow on the top of it.
Yeah, it's got ice on the top.
Nicely done. Wait. There's one. Hello, my friend. Look at that chunky dude right there. Look at this, like a deformed. Here we go. Look at this. Hiding under here. Look at this guy. He's frozen. Got some snow on him. But look at that. What a chunky monkey right there. Look, I got another little button there. Right there. Another little button here. That is a good looking shroom right there. Look at this dude right here. Hello, sunshine. Another beauty. Oops. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're finding these mushrooms pretty regularly now under the ferns. Anything that's out in the open has gotten snow or ice on it and they're pretty much frozen out. But stuff we're finding that are under the ferns, using a good stick to just gently lift the fern fronds or branches, whatever you call them, out of the way. There's some solid chanterelles hiding into there. So I'm going to keep going. So I'm heading uphill now to a spot that is probably another 100 feet higher than I am now. And last time it was just loaded with white chanterelles. It's really interesting that lower elevations got the yellow chanterelles and the higher elevation had exclusively the white ones. So hopefully they're still going to be up there, but they might be past their prime. But let's go check it out and see what we got. So what do you got? Oh yeah. When I grabbed the last one like that, it was just gooey on the bottom. What's it look like? Oh, that's a beautiful,
big chanterelle.
Beautiful. Look at all these busted up ones over here. That's a chunky right there. Nice. You got there, Kazi? You got that one to the left.
Yeah, I know there's one on the left too, but.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Pull back this fern right here. Bam! Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Nice. That's not what I came over for. I came over to look at these two. Look at these right here. Hello. Hello, my friends. Look at that. Dang. Guys found another nice cluster. Look at them. Oh, that's a fat one, right? Oh, nice.
It's like kind of interesting.
What else you got? Beautiful.
Oops.
Beautiful.
Part.
Nice one. Is there a fourth one there? Oh, just a piece of it. Nice.
Oh, whoa, look at these.
Oh, geez. Oh, hello. Dang.
Oh, broke that one.
Jesus. Well done, sir. So Kaz and I are in a new spot. It's a little steeper slope, and so far we found a handful of nice yellows and some white ones, chanterelles, and I found another one here. I want you guys to show this to you. Check this one out. Look at this nice little white chanterelle here with some snow on it. Still a beauty. Look at that. What a beautiful one. Kaz into some too. I found some others over here. Let's go check this other one out. Those here. This nice little cluster. hiding in here. So we can get it out of there. Oh yeah, not bad. 3 beauties. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. Oh, look at this guy. Growing out of the side of the log. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. But check this out. We got a lot of ferns. Got a lot of big maples. Mixed forest. We got some Oregon grape here. Kind of mixed everything. But nice slope. This is south facing slope, so it's getting some sun. There isn't any snow over here, just very little in the shady stuff, but otherwise pretty clear, and we're finding the shrooms, so good stuff. Kaz says he's got a nice little find up here. Let's go see what you got, Kazi.
One there, there.
Nice.
Under here.
Nice cluster there.
It's a nice
There's 2 of them in there.
This one might be gone. There's a few other ones kind of rotted in here.
Yeah, that's like a chunky one there. Nice.
It's a nice one.
Oh yeah.
And there's one over here. It's a nice little chunky one. That's kind of good
Well
size.
done. Oh, that's a fatty. Nice. Kaz came over to check out this little spot over here. I think you can see it hiding under the ferns. Go get it, Kazi. Look at that.
Oh, it's kind of eaten up.
Pull it out of there. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's fine. Totally fine.
Good.
Yeah.
All right.
So picky. We had an awesome hunt today. We found lots of late season fall white chanterelles and yellow chanterelles and a few odds and ends here, but overall, awesome day. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe and tell your friends, and I look forward to you joining me on the next adventure. Thanks.